The Lekufee Waterproof Case for DJI Mavic 3 is a specially designed, hardshell carrying case that offers a custom fit for your DJI Mavic 3 and its accessories. Due to the double-layer EVA foam inserts, this case provides ample storage for your drone, batteries, remote controller, goggles, microSD cards, control sticks, charging hub, propellers, ND filter set, cables, and more. Protection is a key feature of this case, offering waterproof and dustproof capabilities with an IP67 rating and a high impact resistance due to its hard plastic outer shell and internal elastic sponge and custom EVA foam inserts. The case is robust and durable, weighing 7.4 pounds and measuring 16.9 by 8 by 14.1 inches, and includes features such as action latches, an air pressure balance valve, and a soft non-slip silicone handle. For added peace of mind, this Lekufee case comes with a 12-month warranty and friendly customer service. With its high-quality construction and thoughtful design, this case offers excellent protection for your DJI Mavic 3 drone and its accessories, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures.